such a nice combination of flavors in here. One wouldn't think of mixing capers with chipotles, but I promise if you do, you're really gonna like this. So I have the yolks of 6 eggs here that I hard boiled. You know, these are nice and yellow. They have no green or bluish hue on them. If you don't know how to do this, I will attach a video at the end of this showing you how I get my eggs to be this way, okay? I'm simply gonna mash this now. I'm gonna add a teaspoon of chopped capers and a teaspoon of scallion green. So this is just the dark part of the scallion. You can use chives also if you'd like. We're gonna add a teaspoon of yellow mustard, a heaping tablespoon of mayo, a little bit of salt. Don't put too much because the mayo and the mustard already have salt. Some pepper. I'm going to add half a teaspoon of chipotle pepper sauce to this and a 1/4 teaspoon of paprika. Now we're going to fill in our egg whites with this filling. I didn't show you how to cut the egg yolks out, but obviously I halved them and took the egg yolk out very carefully, okay? Now we're gonna sprinkle these with some chipotle pepper